Hey everybody, what's up, and welcome back to the Cut Flower Garden. Today we're going to be making yet another arrangement, kind of in the blue tones, blue-purple tones. This one is unique because we are going to be using our hydrangeas. Hydrangeas can be a little bit fickle when it comes to cut flowers and all that, but I think these actually turned out really great. First thing I'm going to do is I am going to choose some larkspur. I wasn't quite sure what colors larkspur I needed for this arrangement because there are so many different colors of blue and purple in my hydrangeas. So I just picked at first some dark blues, some light blues, some lavenders, just kind of that spectrum of colors from my larkspur. This is likely going to be the last flower arrangement using the larkspur just because they are looking a little bit rough. They've been really getting battered with storms this year. So it was really nice while we had them in the garden, but this is probably going to be the last one. After I picked my larkspur, I'm just going to put them in my vase, obviously. Then I am going to head over to my hydrangea bush and pick my hydrangeas. Now, these hydrangeas, you can see they're mostly blue and green and purple. Really nice, just kind of cool toned colors. I headed over to my vase to check them against the larkspur, and I quickly found out that the dark colored purple larkspur did not match the arrangement. It kind of looks like it does here on the camera, but in real life it didn't go together. So what I did is I put the hydrangeas into the vase first, and then I put the light larkspur, the light colored kind of pastel lavender larkspur, in the vase with the hydrangeas. Now, hydrangeas can wilt when you pick them. These didn't. These were just fine, but if you do have problems with wilt, you might consider dipping the stems in alum, or alum. I don't really know how to say it. It's A-L-U-M. I know that's a trick that some people use. I personally never do it. I don't have problems with wilting with my hydrangeas very often, so again, just something to keep in mind. After that, I took another stroll around the garden, really trying to figure out what other options I had. The garden's kind of sparse right now, so I decided to go once again with the white and the light kind of lavender blue colored Scabiosa pincushion flowers. The stems on these are nice and strong and tall right now. They are a little bit beat down just because we've had so much rain. In fact, it was raining while I made this. I feel like the last 10 videos I've made, it's been raining while I tried to make them. It's been really frustrating. But that's besides the point. Y'all don't care. Anyway, after I added those pincushion flowers, the only thing left that I needed was a little bit of filler and foliage, and of course that came in mint. Mint, of course. I've added mint to almost every flower arrangement this year. Mint has really come in handy for me, and finishing off these bouquets, I think it looks really, really lovely. This one's getting donated, as always. Hopefully somebody will love it. I felt like this one was a little bit off game for me, but I think it turned out really nicely nonetheless. That's really about it for this video. I hope that you liked it. I hope you thought that it was pretty or found it helpful or something. You know, I'm just trying to do my best and show you what I grow and how I grow it. I'm just a person. I'm just trying to make it out here in the world and failing miserably at it, if I'm being honest. That's really about it for this video. Hopefully it was helpful. As always, you can leave any questions or comments that you have down below. I'm always trying to answer those. Usually I get to them in about a week. Sometimes longer depending upon how busy I am with work and, you know, the channel and everything. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. I'd absolutely love to have you. We are making new content all the time. Sometimes it's DIY projects, sometimes it's gardening, could be even soap making. You really never know quite what I'm going to upload. So if you like a little bit of a surprise, you might like this channel too. Always going to just keep on growing. Be sure to tell your friends, hit the little bell icon, all that good stuff. I hope that you guys are having such an amazing day. I will talk to you all later. Bye, guys.